Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be reviewing a new product called Polaris. What Polaris does, it's a web-based app and it's also a training. There's training as well with the app. Now Polaris is it's an funnel creator, but the beauty of Polaris is that you get 15, 20, I believe 20 done for you campaigns for Clickbank. So within 2 minutes, you can create a campaign and share it via social media or upload it to your own hosting. There's even a training video, a 2-minute challenge to create a funnel and start getting traffic to it. So on my review page here, I just go through the features of Polaris. It links with all the major autoresponders, so Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Sendlane, ActiveCampaign, ConstantContact, Hubspot. You can also download the leads into a CSV file. Excuse me. There's several training videos to get you started. There's also a section on how to get traffic, and there's a couple of videos that show you. There's, like I said, the 120-second challenge video. So it goes through the complete funnel process of what a funnel is and how to work with a funnel, how to get leads and promote the offers and so on. So you see on the app itself here, this screenshot here, there's several categories of offers on Clickbank, and these are all done for you, completely ready-made campaigns for you to start earning money. So it's only $17 at launch, and you can start making money very quickly. There's a video to show you how to get started in just 2 minutes. Let me go through the pricing. So the front end price is $17 at launch. The Pro Edition is $47 with a downsell of $37. The OTO2 is a done for you campaigns, $97 with a downsell of $67. OTO3 is the high ticket done for you funnel and limitless traffic, $197 with a downsell of $97. And OTO4 is a reseller bundle license, $197 with a downsell of $97. So the front end is the main app and also the all of the video training. So the Pro Edition upgrade, it gives you an additional 40 done for you campaigns in top niches, including 17 handpicked offers. The done for you campaigns gives you access to high ticket Clickbank products and funnels to bank high ticket commissions. The high ticket done for you funnel and limitless traffic gives you front end access to John Armstrong's 2020 products. And the reseller bundles license gives you it gives you access to a load of products, and you get full resellers rights. So I'd say talk about here is Polaris worth it. I believe it is. The app is solid. Unlike a few other apps I reviewed recently, the app is working, from what I can see, perfectly well. I ran a test funnel, and it was working completely. I was done within 2 or 3 minutes. I didn't even follow the training. I just jumped in and it worked. The upsells, you get plenty of done for you funnels in the upsells, so it could be worth it if you want a quick start and jumpstart your income. Now my bonuses, I'll give you access to, bonus 1 is done for you campaigns for 365 days. I'll give you access to the cartel course. Bonus 2 is 30 high quality bonuses, video training and courses to give away. Bonus 3 will be access to a full launch jacking course. Bonus 4 is license rights to Vanquish, and bonus 5 is all of the vendor bonuses. So let me show you inside the app itself. So this is the one that I tested. So this is the main app dashboard. So you see you've got affiliate marketing campaigns, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, fitness and weight loss, health, self-improvement, dating, relationship, Clickbank, high ticket. Because I've got the full package, I get high ticket ones, and also top Clickbank products. So let me just pop into one of these and let you have a look. So you see you've got all these Clickbank offers here. So you can create a funnel, you add your Clickbank link, and then it will take you to the process of adding the leads to your autoresponder. So GetResponse, for example, add them to the listing GetResponder. And then at the end of the process, you'll be presented with this page where you can share your funnel straight away on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WordPress, Reddit, WordPress.com that is, Reddit, and so on. But also it's probably best to download your squeeze page and download your thank you page and then upload it to your own hosting. And that way you can drive the traffic to your own hosting and also rank for it as well. So let me show you, these are the example funnels. This is the training areas, how to use Polaris. All the settings, how to access your subscribers. It shows you about funnel setup and the 120-second challenge. These are bonus tutorials, so how to get traffic to your funnels and make money, including some keyword research. This is where you add your GetResponse details. So in my case, I would use GetResponse. I add my API details in there. I've shown you this one, and I've shown you that one. That is basically Polaris in a nutshell. It's a very effective, completely working, very easy to use app with some excellent training. Even just the front end, $17, you can start earning money within 2 minutes and share it on social media or your own site. So all in all, I think it's a really good, effective product. Highly recommend it. Excuse me. And yeah, I think it's a really good product. And yeah, the pages are ready made for you, so you can quickly start getting people on your list as well to resell other products in the future. So hope you enjoyed the review. Pick up my bonuses from the link down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.